Hey everyone, it's Ronnie from Third Story Threads and just wanted to do another quilt showcase on this Walking Dead quilt that I finished up. So, used this peppermint pattern plenty of times. It's super versatile, and so I just wanted to show you all this one, just another variation you can do with it. So if you take a look, this is actually a Walking Dead themed quilt. So as I walk up on it, I'll show you. So Walking Dead, and then over here it's comic book Michonne just tearing up zombies. So the theme behind the whole quilt is that in this chaotic moment going on with Michonne just hacking away at zombies, there would just be a lot of blood everywhere. It would just be pretty much chaos. And so if you take a look at the whole quilt, that was what the theme I was going for. So this fabric that's around the actual comic books is actually Juicy Juice, the Sleuth collection. It's super versatile. It's great for Halloween. And there's a couple other ones that you'd like for non-Halloween stuff too. But even this binding is the Crypto from that collection. And then if you take a look at the back, it's my favorite backing, the onion rings. It just goes perfect with this whole quilt. But thanks for taking a look, and tune in for the next video.